recording a CD called King for a Day. It's a tribute to Carole King. And her wonderful songs. One of the songs is a Gallagher Brothers made a huge hit called Crying in the Rain. And I asked my lovely sister Coco, say hi, Coco. That's enough. To come and sing it with you. You did a wonderful duet. I'd like to do it for you now. So back in the day, when we first started on the Monkey Show, as you probably know, any of you monkey files, sounds kind of rude, monkey file. We didn't have a lot of control over the music. They hired us and we sang and we played when they asked us. But Mike and Peter especially were really good songwriters, and they were submitting songs. And Mike told me this story. He said, I brought one of the first tunes that I'd ever written into the producers, and they said, well, that's good, that's okay, but it's not a monkey tune. And he was like, but I am one of the monkeys. And they said, yeah, but it's not a monkey tune. So he said, okay, and he gave it to this young girl singer who was kicking around Los Angeles at the time. Since I'm not a young girl singer, I want to have Coco sing this song for you. This is a song Mike Nesmith wrote for Linda Ronstadt and Stone Ponies called Different Drugs.